Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log in to another Gmail account on mobile. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to show you two different ways that you can log in to another Gmail account. If you have multiple accounts that you want to manage and switch back and forth to, the very first thing that we'll do is we'll open up Safari or Google Chrome. And then from here, we will type in my account, google.com. So my account google.com and head go here. Now this will log you into your first account. But if you want to create a second account or log in to a second account, you can tap the little profile icon at the very top right here. And then it gives you the option right here to add another account. So I can tap add another account. And then from here, I'm going to find the other account that I want to log into. I'm going to log into this account. And then I can enter that password in to be able to log into my How to Apps account. And now I am logged into my second Gmail account here. And you can see I can switch back and forth between those two different Gmail accounts on my iPhone or Android. Now, a different way that you can add a second email account is let's head into our settings here. And then we'll scroll down until we find Mail and tap on Mail. And then we'll tap on Accounts here. And right towards the bottom here is Add Account, so I can tap on that. And the third option down is Google. I can tap on that and hit Continue. And now all this will do is it will bring up an option where I can tap and just add another account. I can say use another account here, and I can enter in the email address and the password of the second account that I want to add. And then I can access this email in the Mail app on my phone, and it will sync over the calendar and all of that stuff. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.